In this video, you'll learn how to sketch a graph of y equals to the modulus of sine x, and also you will understand how to sketch a graph of y equals to sine modulus of x. There's a difference between these two graphs. So let us first examine how to sketch a graph of y equals to the modulus of sine x. So first, you would sketch a graph of y equals to sine x, and then you reflect the parts of the graph where y is less than 0. You reflect that part of the graph in the x-axis. So let us examine the graph of y equals sine x. So this is the graph of y equals sine x. So the parts where y or f of x is less than 0 would be the points, all the coordinates below the x-axis. So here I need to reflect this point into the x-axis. So it would be at this point here. And this point is below the x-axis, so I need to reflect it in the x-axis, so it would be here. So now we have a sketch of the graph of y equals to the modulus of sine x. And since we have y equals to the absolute value of sine x, it means that we can't have any negative values for y. Therefore, we would have positive 1 and positive 1 here, and then we sketch a graph. Let us move on to sketching the graph of y equals to sine modulus of x. To sketch a graph of y equals sine modulus of x, we first sketch a graph of y equals to sine x in the domain where x is greater than or equal to 0. So here we have the sketch of the graph, and all we need to do is to reflect it into the y-axis. So if I reflect this point in the y-axis, so let's just adjust this. So if I reflect this point in the y-axis, it would be at this point here. Okay, so this would be my first coordinate reflected. Now let us reflect this point in the y-axis. That would be invariant, so it would be here. I need to reflect pi in the y-axis, so it would be at minus pi, which is here. And then I reflect 2 pi in the y-axis, so I would be at this point here. And then I reflect this coordinate in the y-axis, so I would be here. And then you just sketch the graph. So here, y is equal to sine modulus of x, and this is the graph. Thank you very much.